hill. Numa, Paul got plenty of footage of coming down here. Yeah, first off, the rave never actually closed down. It never exactly closed, per se. And... No, it closed now because some jackass... Well, later on. I mean... Some jackass pulled the fucking fire alarm there. Yeah, later they pulled the fire alarm. Some idiot pulled the fire alarm. In the first place, when we thought they closed it down, they didn't. It was later on that they closed it down because some idiot pulled the fire alarm. And now, supposedly, a tornado has touched down, and we are now down here in this godforsaken basement. Man, this is a bad year for cons. First Asen Burns, and now Waffle House freaking tornado. Asen Burns. Yeah, Asen caught fire this year. Ow, that sucks. Woo! Wow, cons failed this year. Basement Tornado Con. So, fun times in the basement. What's up? I survived Colossal Con 2010. I survived Colossal Con 2010. All I got was a stupid shirt. And footage, but that's okay. And of course I forget batteries, so yay! 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 420! Woo! Funniest con ever, but worst con ever. Yeah, this is on the bottom of my list. And also one of the most expensive ones. Oh yeah, it's pretty up there. Yeah, like an anime. Who's just cute? Thinking that girl might have. Maybe. You want the truth? You can't handle the truth. I've been working out where they were 50 years old. Yay! Okay.